You know it's spring when the cherry tree blossoms, and those beautiful blooms inspired my fresh cherry Frangipane tart. And this is a great way to get the pits out of the cherries. The crust for this tart is a little something we bakers like to call rough puff. So I got salt and flour, and then cold butter and cold water for a tender crust. And although the cold makes most of us tense, it's great for an easy-to-roll dough. And I'm too impatient to wait, so here's the one I made earlier. The secret to a rough puff with fluff is rolling and folding and rolling and folding. And back to the fridge again. I know it seems like a lot of work, but it is so worth it. The second part of my tart is a frangipane, which is an Italian word for a sweet almond paste. Starts with a little flour and salt, and then the star of the show, ground almonds. And obviously, butter. You can't see it right now, but there are so many layers of puffy pastry in here. They're all gonna rise up in the oven. I got a square, but I need a circle, so I just use my tart pan as a template. Don't forget to leave a little bit of extra for those edges. This part's important. Don't just push those corners in and stretch the dough. You gotta lift and place it gently. Lift and place it. Now for my filling. My tart is baked and cooled and ready for some fresh cherries. But I need something to hold them all in place. Cherry jam. I just popped it in the microwave to loosen it up a little bit. And I'm gonna make this a tiny bit more grown up with some cherry liqueur. final touch, just a hint of mint. Almonds and cherries just go so well together. That does feel like a springtime dessert.